Pemirsa, Bank Sentral Amerika Serikat atau Federal Reserve yang kembali bertemu 11 hingga 12 Juni mempertimbangkan sejumlah data yang mengisyaratkan inflasi belum sepenuhnya sesuai target. Namun indikator utama lainnya menunjukkan perekonomian Amerika Serikat tetap kuat. Salah satunya adalah data ketenagakerjaan terkini yang terbit awal Juni. Informasi selengkapnya dilaporkan tim VOA dari Washington DC, Amerika Serikat yang menjadi penutup zona bisnis untuk pagi ini. Terima kasih, sampai jumpa.
Data penambahan lapangan kerja terkini di Amerika Serikat jauh melampaui ekspektasi analis. Selama Mei tercipta 272 ribu lapangan kerja baru, jauh melampaui angka April sebesar 165 ribu.
The forecasts were speculation that just kind of got away from themselves. It's still a strong economy. To anyone who's been trying to hire someone, this was not a surprise to you. To anyone who picks up their phone and finds 16 unsolicited job offers for all sorts of places, that's the top tick. You shouldn't have been too surprised.
Data ini mengurangi tekanan bagi Bank Sentral AS atau Federal Reserve untuk segera menurunkan suku bunga acuan yang telah 11 kali dinaikkan untuk mengendalikan laju inflasi.
I think the main takeaway here is the long-feared significant slowdown in hiring in the U.S. economy just simply has not arrived. And so if we were fearful that the economy might hit a hard landing or even a soft landing, that's just not the case. The economic expansion continues. We had hiring that exceeded expectations. We had wage growth that was higher than expected, at least through this metric. And yes, we did get a rise in the unemployment rate, but it has been remarkably low over the last couple of years.
Angka pengangguran naik ke 4% dari 3,9% pada bulan sebelumnya. Federal Reserve punya mandat ganda, yaitu stabilitas harga alias mengendalikan tingginya laju inflasi dan juga maximum employment atau penciptaan lapangan kerja secara maksimal. Dan dalam iklim usaha dengan suku bunga tinggi belakangan, banyak pihak sempat khawatir bahwa pemilik usaha semakin tercekik sehingga melakukan PHK massal atau setidaknya tidak lagi membuka lowongan kerja baru.
The Federal Reserve looks at the May employment report along with other recent data and continues to believe that the job market is strong, perhaps not as strong as before. But the Fed wants to see the so-called supply and demand of labor come into better balance, and that is what is happening. We saw that job openings are coming down. We have the unemployment rate rising ever so slightly, but still at a low level, and hiring is strong. The Federal Reserve has a dual mandate. Part of that is stable prices, trying to bring inflation down with respect to our recent experience, but also wants to have maximum employment. And it can look at the employment side of the equation right now and say, we've checked that box off. We don't need to worry about that right now.
Sementara untuk inflasi, laju inflasi telah jauh melemah dari 9% lebih pada pertengahan 2022. Tapi data soal inflasi sepanjang 2024 masih bervariasi. Dari Washington DC, Nova Purwadi dan tim VOA.
Jelajahi cara baru mendapatkan informasi. Download Metro TV Extend sekarang.